Customers are talking about Fluke, and when customers talk, we listen.
Fluke's quality and consistent support for the products, all the way from power quality analyzer to the digital multimeter, has won our loyalty. The tools appear to be designed for engineers and electricians by engineers and electricians. The Fluke brand is, to me, 150% of the tool that could be available to us. And when that's available, that's the one you want to choose.
Continuous improvement is our way of life. The spirit of innovation and how it helps our customers defines us. Our mission is to provide our customers the safest, most rugged, intuitive, and accurate measurement and calibration tools in the world, today and well into the future. We believe in the importance of spending time with our customers in the field in order to find the best solution. Our commitment to our customers has built a relationship of trust that fuels our passion to keep innovating, just as it has since the beginning.
We have an obligation to deliver the customer a little bit more than he thought he was getting, at least. To deliver it on time when we said we would. To service it after it's been sold, and to see that we give adequate application assistance whenever required.
Fluke, innovating measurement technology to keep the world up and running.